Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on your iPhone. Open Settings, then tap General and CarPlay so you see paired cars. Tap the specific vehicle name to access its options. This removes the handshake between phone and infotainment. Once you tap Remove or Forget this car, the system won't auto-launch CarPlay. If you want immediate disconnection, turn off Bluetooth or unplug the USB cable. Do that now to stop the session instantly. This prevents future automatic launches without changing car settings. Now move to the car's head unit to disable CarPlay at the source. Open the infotainment settings or phone menu because some vehicles override phone preferences. Find the Apple CarPlay option and switch it off for the current driver profile or select Disable for that vehicle. Make sure to disconnect any saved phone profiles, then save or confirm changes. Otherwise, the system may reconnect automatically. Once done, reboot the head unit, if prompted to ensure the new setting takes effect immediately. Finish by restarting both your iPhone and the car's infotainment system to lock in settings. Reboots resolve lingering connections. After reboot, test by plugging the cable or pairing over Bluetooth. CarPlay should no longer auto-start. If it does still appear, reset network settings on the iPhone or check for iOS and head unit software updates, because bugs can re-enable connections. As a quick troubleshooting tip, remove all paired devices from the head unit and repair only the ones you want, which clears sticky profiles and prevents unexpected CarPlay launches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.